Here we are at ClassicFlowersAndGifts.com, 95 Kent Street, West and Lindsay. What is going on with George here? Well, he is waiting for a big event, so stay tuned and we'll get you updated. But in the meantime, here's some new gifts idea. Beautiful Suncatcher butterfly. And then there's some smaller one available too for every budget. And here's the beautiful monarch one, just gorgeous. These makes beautiful summer gift giveaway. And here's another different color one butterfly and our beautiful bird window panels, just stunning, made out of cut glass, handmade. Just visit our website and get yours today. A very unique gift that will keep for a long time. ClassicFlowersAndGifts.com. We'll talk to you soon.